Hello students, welcome back. Next concept of the fractions and decimals chapter is reciprocal of fractions. Okay, now what is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal, all of you know, just a reverse number. Like if we have written 2 by 7, what will be the reciprocal here? Reciprocal will be 7 by 2. So like this, we will find out the reciprocal of the following numbers. The first number is 3 by 5, second number is 1 whole 4 by 7. So we will find out the reciprocals, and we will classify also the reciprocals are coming as proper fraction, improper fraction, or mixed fraction, or whole number. Okay. Now, what is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5 here? It will be 5 by 3. Just reverse to the number. Okay. Now, what is 5 by 3 here? Proper fraction, improper fraction, or whole number? Clearly you can see it is improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. Now comes to the second question. In the second question, mixed number is there. So first of all, you will convert into simple one, that is 7 1 the 7 and 4 11 by 7. So what will be the reciprocal here? Reciprocal will be, what will be the reciprocal? That is 7 by 11. So what is 7 by 11 here? Here numerator is less than the denominator. So what it will be? It is proper fraction. Okay. Just you have to find out the reciprocal, then you have to classify whether it is proper, improper, or whole number. Now comes to the next part. What will be the reciprocal of 1 by 9? So just reverse the number. It will be 9 by 1. 9 by 1 means 9. So 9 is not a proper fraction, not an improper fraction. It is known as whole number. That is whole, complete part. That is whole number. Okay. Now comes to some extra questions regarding the reciprocal. You have to find out the reciprocal of 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 5. Okay. First of all, you will solve this part because you have to find out the reciprocal of this complete part. So what you will write here, first of all, find out the multiplication. 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. No number is cancelling here. So you will write 3 1s are 3, 5 4s are 20. Right. So the product of these numbers is 3 by 20. So you will write reciprocal of 3 by 20 is 20 by 3. Now this is improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. This is improper fraction. Okay. Now comes to the next part. Find the reciprocal of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Now you have to apply the BODMAS rule because two operations are there. One is addition and second one is multiplication. Now you have to apply the BODMAS rule. You have to apply BODMAS rule. So what is the meaning of BODMAS here? Bracket open, divide, no divide is there. So multiplication is there. So first of all you will solve this one. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, you have two ways. Directly you can cancel the term or you can directly multiply. Both answers will be same. So I am doing the direct one. So 1 by 2 plus 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now you can cancel the terms here. It will be 3 1s are 3 or 3 4s are 12. So what you will write here? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 will be, it will be 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. What it will be? 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So it is 3 by 4. Now this is the complete result of this number, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Now you have to find out the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So the reciprocal will be 4 by 3. So what is 4 by 3 here? Proper or improper? This is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. I hope you understand the concept. Whether you have to find out the reciprocal of any operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Division we will discuss now. Okay. So in the same question they can ask about the 2 operations, 3 operations. Okay. Then simply find out the result and take the reciprocal. Definitely you will get your answer. Okay. Now we will discuss the division part. Now we will discuss the division of the fractions. So I have taken some examples regarding the division. First example is, that is 12 divided by 3 by 4. Okay. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to convert this division sign into the multiplication. So I will write 12 multiplied by. So you have to take the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? It will be 4 by 3. Now you can write, or directly you can multiply, or you can cancel the terms. It will be 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So answer is 16. So 16 is a whole number. Okay. Now comes to the next part. So what you have to write, first of all you will convert this number into the simple. So 5 divided by 7. First of all you will multiply. 7 3s are 21. Then you will plus 7 3s are 21 or 4. 25 by 7. Then what you will write here, 5. You will convert the division sign into the multiplication. So it will be 7 by 25. So what it will be? It will be 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So answer is coming 7 1s are 7, 7 by 5. So you can write 5 1s are 5, 2 by 5, or 7 by 5 is also correct because it is improper fraction. And if they are asking about you have to convert into the mixed fraction, then you have to convert this, that like 1 whole 2 by 5, right? Now comes to the next example, that is 4 1 by 4 whole 1 by 3 divided by 2. Now first of all you will convert this number into the simple one. First of all you will multiply. 4 3s are 12. Then you will add 12 over 1, 13 by 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now divide by 2. Now what you will do here, just take the reciprocal. So what will be the reciprocal of 2? 2 is having 1 in their denominator because this is whole number. So in multiplication it will be 1 by 2. So what you will write, no number is cancelled here. So 13 1s are 13. Answer will be 13 1s are 13. 3 2s are 6. This is also improper fraction. So simply you will convert. 6 2s are 12, 1 left, 6. 2 whole 1 by 6 is the correct answer. Now again comes to the next example, that is 4 whole 3 by 7 divisible by 7. Okay. Now first of all write down 7 4s are 28 and 3, 28 and 3 31 divided by 7, divisible by 7. So direct multiply by 1 by 7. So what will be the answer here? 31 1s are 31, 7 7s are 49. This is proper fraction. So no need to convert this number into the mixed number. Comes to the next question. What is this? 3 by 7 divisible by 8 by 7. Simple. No need to convert them into the simple. Multiply by, you will take the reverse, that is 7 by 8. Now you can cancel the terms. You can clearly see 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So what it will be? 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. So 3 by 8 is also a proper fraction. So no need to convert this fraction into the mixed. Okay, comes to the last one. Both are the mixed fractions. First of all you will convert them into the simple fraction. What you will write here? 5 2s are 10, 10 or 1, 11, 11 by 5. Divisible by 15 1s are 15 or 1, 16 by 15. Now for the next step, what you will write here? You will write 11 by 5 multiply by, take the reciprocal of 16 into 16 by 5. It will be 15 by 16. Now you can cancel the terms. Clearly you can see 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, Now 3 16, no. 11 16, no. 11 3 is 33 divided by 16. So it is also improper fraction. So you will convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. What you will write here, 16 2 is 32, 1 left, 1 by 16. So 2 1 by 16 is the correct answer. So almost we have covered the whole part of the fraction, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, reciprocal and division. Okay, and we will discuss the word problems based on the multiplication and the division in the next class. Okay, and after the word problems then we will start the decimal part. Okay students, okay, bye bye.